Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Valorant Van9005 error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by clicking on the search icon in the bottom left corner of your desktop and typing command prompt. Right-click on command prompt in the search results and choose Run as Administrator to open a command prompt window with elevated privileges. In this window, enter the command vc set hypervisor launch type off and press enter. Close the command prompt and restart your system. Once your computer has restarted, try launching Valorant again. You should now be able to play the game without encountering the VAN9005 error. If this tutorial resolves your issue, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to enjoying Valorant without any further interruptions. So that's basically how to fix Valorant Van9005 error. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.